It was really breezy here just a few minutes ago, but of course now things have settled down just a little bit. But yes, there is a wind advisory heading into this weekend because of the Santa Ana winds. We took the trip up to Julian this afternoon and checked in on how people were feeling about those gusty winds. Take a look. Our drive today took us on the 8 all the way to Alpine. We saw highway signs warning drivers about the high winds. Once in Julian, travelers saying they enjoy the wind.
We come here to get away from everything down there, and that's it pretty much blows us in. So, and it's a chilly wind.
As we walked around downtown, the thermometer read 43 degrees, but with the wind chill, it was 29 degrees.
Way windier than it's been. Yeah, it's cold, it's nippy, it's dry.
Very brisk. Yeah, but it feels good. It's like refreshing.
Hello. And before we could talk to this couple, a big gust came through.
It feels really good. Nice and crispy out here today. Yeah.
Lots of wind. You've been feeling the wind all day?
All day. Yeah, all day.
The Santa Ana winds return this weekend with high winds and dry humidity, but not a problem for this guy.
Well, it's not too bad right here. The wind's not too awful bad. I guess tomorrow's supposed to be worse, right? But it's sunny enough. It's cold, but it's a nice change.
And that wind advisory, because of the Santa Ana winds, will be in effect through the weekend.